Once upon a time, Cijolang River was a central of prehistoric civilization. It was proven by several archaeological sites that were found in close proximity to the river. One of the most important sites is located in Citapen village, where we can see a prehistoric rock art in a hilly area near to the river. The Citapen rock art is the one and only prehistoric rock art found in Java Island. It was firstly documented by F.C. Wilson, a Dutch painter who visited the place in around 1850. This rock art can be classified as a petroglyph, as it was made by incising or carving the surface of the rock. And according to archaeologists, most of the petroglyphs around the world are dated to between 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. This petroglyph consists of several figures of people and indistinct characters, which may represent astronomical marker, geographical map, or religious symbol. Our next destination is Bunga Oxide. It is located about 5 km away to the southeast of Citapen site. This site was just discovered by a local villager in 2020. He found many rock artifacts and also some ancient fossils. One of the most important findings is the inscription found from this artifact. It has a similar style to the inscription found from the Citapen rock art, indicating a close linkage between the both.